Right, guys. Another trade breakdown for you guys. This is another trade that I took on my daily payout account. This time it's Mindful Futures instead of TPT, but it is the same rules, same cost, same ROI, same everything. Still 10K till TPT live, or 10K until the Mindful Futures live, and it costs like what, $97, close enough to 100. Same thing as TPT, but as you can see, we secured like another like 5.9K. So anything above buffer is mine, of course. And then, yeah, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it, why I took that short, and yeah, let's get into it. I'm not going to talk too much, just more info than yapping. So, basically, on this 15-minute, I did not really get on charts that early today. I got on charts at like literally at previous week lows, but it's whatever. I'm going to explain why I took that trade. Basically, you could have caught this right here. I'll give you guys some hindsight input, but basically we like expanded lower, but like what wrong thing. We like distributed what like 350 points almost during Asia and London. Took previous week low without any sort of divergences or SMTs. Basically, whenever we don't have an SMT, I just kind of look at it as manipulation. Like every big move has some sort of divergence before we do some crazy move. So right here, no SMT, no nothing. This is all just engineer liquidity after we dumped 350 points. So that's just kind of how I look at it. I didn't see this as longs, to be honest, or I don't see it as longs because I was not on charts at the time. I really couldn't tell you what I would do. You never know. But yeah, enough of the hindsight though. In my opinion, it was very bearish, and we're just continuing lower. It is a Friday. Usually, we just expand on Fridays, whether it's up or down. We do expand. So that's that's another thing. So let's go back into the charts. Let's go into our entry criteria. So this is exactly how I enter like during continuation days. Whenever I kind of like miss everything, I just kind of have to um do it all myself. Oh. Anyway, basically, why did I short here? We see this high. This gets manipulated on NQ. Well, both these highs, you could say. Both of these highs get manipulated and tapped into on NQ. Right? Right. So, and what do we do on ES? We leave this high and we leave also this high, creating this SMT divergence on the lower time frame. What does this mean? This means that um, it's hinting a reversal to continue lower. So we're going to have continuation lower, judging it purely off this manipulation. Now, why these highs specifically? Because first of all, it is the 5-minute. If we ignore this high, this is the 5-minute gap. So it would only make sense for that high to hold. And the biggest thing that I liked about this is not only did we have SMT like this. Oh shoot! Look, there you go. Not only did we have SMT like this with this high, we also had SMT right here. So like after we tap into this rejection block, no, this fair value gap, we manipulate down, or we just kind of give a good reaction, right? So we get good displacement, but it's like 15 points, and then we come back up to resweep it. And while we were resweeping it, we create another divergence. You see how NQ resweeps it? ES does not. ES leaves just another equal high right here. So it's not getting taken. And after a wick slower, it literally shows you like it's all in the pudding, bro. Like we tapped the fair value gap CE. ES is saying no, I don't want to go up there. I don't want to go higher. I'm wicking lower and closing below. Exactly the same thing on NQ. So after seeing all the SMT, all the everything, engineer liquidity, all that getting taken out, AMD on the lower time frame, boom. We have our displacement, get our break of structure, whatever you want to. I wasn't really looking at that, but yeah, anyway. But boom, we create our order block or our entry trigger, and that is exactly where you would enter, and boom, it's all sauce from there. You would just kind of short here, and you just kind of hold it to to our next draw on liquidity, which mine was like a higher time frame, like rejection block, but I'm pretty sure my fill was like 210 right here, right there. Yeah. Um, I think it was because trading view, but I kind of like market ordered because I'm buns and demo, but it is what it is, you know. But anyway, yeah, SMT divergence while manipulating into this fair value gap, you know, engine of liquidity, boom, displacement, order block, enter trigger, sauce. It's super simple. Um, this is exactly how I do it during continuation days. And then let me show you guys what my draw was. Oh, I think it was just that. Yeah, it was that rejection block. Basically, mm, yeah, right here. 151. Kind of just like did a little couple point fuckery just in case it edges. But yeah, I could have done the whole low, but would have secured like 9.5K, but it's okay. 5.8K is not bad. No complaining. Um, but yeah, that is exactly how I secured my a couple K, let's just say. Ooh, all right, my bad. But yeah, no, that's pretty much it. There's really not much else to explain. It's just continuation lower. Super simple, honestly. I don't see why you guys wouldn't be able to do the same. But that pretty much explains exactly how I entered, um, why I entered, everything. Hopefully that makes sense and you guys are not too confused. But if you are confused and you have any extra questions, all you have to do is just ask me, whether it's through my Discord or in the comments. Does not matter. I answer regardless. I see you guys. So I guess if you have any video suggestions or anything you want to see, just let me know. That pretty much sums up everything for today. Yeah, that's it for the trade breakdown. I'll see you guys in the next one.